Hello guys, I'm so happy to say hello for all of you. May we all be in a good health and a happy mood. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Alifah Kanza Widayati. I'm a student of Mathematics Department, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Here, I want to share about how to add an assignment through Google Classroom. Okay, no need to waste the time, let's check. First of all, make sure that you already create the class in Google Classroom. Now, you must open it. To add an assignment for your class participant, click the button Classwork. Your screen will be changed like this. Here, I have added some materials and assignments for students. I grouped them with relevant topics that I have created to make me easier to monitor these activities that I've given to students. Do you see the button Create? Yeah, I'm sure you did it. Nah, to add the assignment, click this button. There are some options if we want to add assignment, quiz, discussion, or etc. Now, click the topic to add a new topic that is transformation, and then click the Create button to add a new assignment. Nah, click this assignment and the screen will change like this. There is a title column and we must write down the title of the assignment. For example, exercises of transformation, and the instruction or optional field. It is optional for the teacher to write down the instruction for the students. Here I write down some instruction for my students. Dear students, please do the competencies test of 4.1, number 5 and 7 in your 2018 revised edition of the 2013 Curriculum Students Book of Mathematics Grade 11 that you already hold from the school library. Do the exercises in your mathematics textbook, then take a photo or scan and do it well, and good luck. Next, I add a file that is the book of the student book, and we wait for the book is uploaded to my assignment for my students in the class in the Google Classroom. We will wait it's uploaded, and the book is already uploaded, and we give the assignment for the class Mathematics 12B and for all students, and we give the due date and the time. For example, we give the students due date of 7 days or a week, and we add the topic is transformations, and the rubric I don't use some rubric and assigning the task. We wait. the task or the assignment is already added. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. See you. Bye bye.